welcome back to Somerset Prep Homestead. Today is Thursday, December 19th, 2024. I'm Marco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra.
And you're watching Python TV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hello, Pythons. Welcome back to Python TV.
Who's ready for Christmas? Who's ready for Christmas?
Can you believe that there's only 6 days left until Christmas?
Who's ready for Christmas and New Year's?
And it'll be our last show of 2024. Now here are your daily announcements.
Hi Alexa. We will miss you too. We also wish you the best. Bye Alexa, we will miss you.
Say bye, say bye, say bye. We'll miss you so much. Bye. Alexa, I just want to let you know that we are going to miss you so very much. I hope that you love your new school and Georgia. Just know that you are always going to be a part of our Python family in this classroom. I hope that you enjoy your new school and you have an amazing school year.
That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and spread the Christmas spirit.
Enjoy your time with your family and friends. We'll be back on January 6th. Go Pythons!